Hello, everybody. Welcome back to a brand new episode of 360 Quick House. Once again, I welcome Gautam Satish and Siddharth Suresh into the show. Welcome.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
And you're muted.
It's match 48. It is Mumbai Indians versus Royal Challengers Bangalore. It is Rohit Sharma taking on Virat Kohli. Now, let us see the players to watch out for in tonight's game. Starting with Virat Kohli. Gautam, your take on Captain Fearless?
Yeah, Virat Kohli has been amongst the runs. The previous game as well, scoring a half century, but on a losing cause. So he'll be keen, to make an impact tonight and get those 2 points and get closer to that qualification. It's going to be a very interesting game today. Mumbai and Bangalore, top two teams. Locking horns. So yes, as I said, he's been amongst the runs. He has scored 415 runs this season. But I think he would like to improve his strike rate, especially in the middle overs where he's been not able to get those boundaries. So that's something that he'll want to improve. And he's a quality player and really looking forward.
Next, we have the hard hitter Hardik Pandya. Siddharth, what is your take on Hardik Pandya?
Yeah, we saw in the last game what he can unleash. He came towards the end. He said that Pollard spoke to him saying that this year we haven't seen what you can actually do. So go out there and express yourself, and that's exactly what he did. He came out and he did what he does best. He played his shots, and what an inning, 60 from 21 balls. I thought he snatched the game away from Rajasthan, but credit where credit is due. Stokes batted beautifully and took the game away from Mumbai. So it's going to be an interesting game today. If Hardik Pandya can get going, then I think they'll try and hopefully bowl well, and that's why he plays a very important role in today's game.
Next, we have Siddharth's battle to watch out for, Mr. 360 versus James Pattinson. Siddharth, what is your take on this battle?
Yep, De Villiers is again so important to this RCB side. I think Virat Kohli and De Villiers is just an amazing partnership, the best T20 batsman to have in your sport. So if De Villiers can play a knock of what we have seen this year, the way he usually plays that aggressive innings, then I think RCB will have a huge advantage. That's why it's very important. But then he'll be coming up against the likes of Pattinson, who's been in good form this season. He was rested for a couple of days, a couple of matches. He came back. He was a bit on the expensive side, but he still picked up the wickets. So I think he's important because the Mumbai bowlers will be feeling the pressure after the last match. They really got it all out of the park, and all of a sudden they didn't know what to do. One of the best bowling sides of the tournament, and they had no clue where to bowl and what to do. So if De Villiers can put that pressure back on Pattinson, I think it's going to be a very interesting contest to watch out.
Next, we have Gautam's battle to watch out for, Yuzvendra Chahal versus Surya Kumar Yadav. Gautam, what is your take on this battle?
Yeah, it's going to be an interesting battle. Speaking of Yuzvendra Chahal, he's been brilliant over the years, and from this year he has not disappointed. He's the fifth leading wicket taker, fourth or fifth leading wicket taker, and he's a go-to bowler for RCB. And when the previous game bowled beautifully, was very economical, but as I said, it was on a losing cause. Surya Kumar Yadav, on the other hand, has been impressive as well. Especially in the middle overs where he has, counter attacked, and he has played really well. He plays both spin and pace quite well, and yeah, he'll be up against Yuzi tonight. So I want to see how he attacks Yuzi, because Yuzi is at his best when the batsman wants to attack him, and so yes, that's why I'm looking forward to this battle.
Here we have the points table. The top two teams playing against each other. It's going to be a nail-biting encounter. Now it's time to make the prediction. Gautam, which team are you going to back?
Well, you can see the color of t-shirt that I'm going to wear. So yes, RCB for me. Close game. I hope they get the 2 points and almost on the verge of qualification. This year has been quite weird, I can say, because we don't have even one team that has qualified. So yes, I hope RCB gets the 2 points tonight.
Siddharth, which team are you going to back tonight?
Well, I'll start off by saying that the last 2 weeks have been so unpredictable. We thought we have a settled top 4 even at the halfway stage, but now all of a sudden we don't know who's going to qualify. So whichever team wins today's game, I think will qualify for sure. But whichever team loses will start to panic, because they will also join the rat race. So very interesting match. Because Gautam has gone with RCB, I'll go with Mumbai. They do have some problems. I think the lack of Rohit Sharma to lead the team itself is a disadvantage. But it'll be interesting to see how Pollard will cope up with the pressure after the last match.
And Gautam, congratulations. Your prediction was right yesterday as well. Now you are leading by 10 points. It is 30-20 at the moment.
It's almost game over.
No, we are changing the rules. From now, whenever I get one, it's 5.
Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye guys, cheers.